So I just want to do a before video that I don't usually do on this bike, and I want to do it because it's a very strange situation. It looks really bad. I got this bike in San Antonio, and that guy got it from South Texas down by the border, and I believe it had set down by the river down there. So as you can see, it's pretty bad, but I think it can be saved. I really do. A lot of it is just surface rust. I haven't found any type of rot on it. And the cool thing about these bikes is, as most of you know, most of the components on them are aluminum, which is great. So a lot of it, can be saved. I think these will polish right out. These OG fenders here. I believe they are original fenders. They got the fender thing right there. I think the bars will be just fine. I think just sand this and whatever this is, maybe sand that down and paint it. I'm just joking. All of that stuff has got to go. But it is super cool, all jokes aside, and I'll show you why it's cool. First off, I think this was parked after someone got hurt on it. I don't think anything was wrong with it. I've been, I've really looked at the bike quite a bit. And as you can see, there's very little wear on the original rims. And then there's very little wear on the original tire tread. Like most of the tread is still here. These are all original tires. And check this out. I've never seen one on a bike before, and I've been chasing bikes for a good while. There's like a little Honda rubber thing that goes over the hub here. As you can see, it says Honda, and I don't know if that came from the dealer. They put those on, but that's on there. The original chain guard is still here. Original carb, even the original little doodad here that the hose goes through and connects down here to this is still here. Like, it's a very low hour bike. I can just tell, by the looks of things. Usually that stuff's all off of it, and including the very rare 1985 toolbox. No dents in the original grab bar, and no cracks in the original headlight. I know it looks bad. It is bad. But no dents in the original exhaust. And then no dents over here at all in the header. And again, almost all of this is surface rust. I haven't found any rot through the bike yet. There's also, these haven't been bent up at all on either side. So original Honda throttle, everything is OG on this thing. I really think someone either got hurt on it or realized, like, hey, it's way too fast. I'm gonna put it up before I get hurt. Hopefully that was the case. And again, I'm gonna clean one of these rims. The original rims and everything is just, it's crazy how nice these are. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of video it a little bit, show y'all what I'll be working with in the next couple of months. Or year. I don't know how long it's going to take to do. It's not locked up. It has compression. I'm not going to try to start it before I tear it all down. I'll probably end up going through the whole motor on this and just a complete restoration. As you can see, there's pitting here. This is the only steel part on the forks. This is all aluminum. It's all going to clean up. Yeah, super cool, man. It's like a time capsule. It just got parked and it just sat. The compression on it is super good. I mean, when you kick the kicker down, and it, you know, like I said, it doesn't look like it's been messed with at all. As far as, you know, what people would do back in the day, change the carburetor, change the exhaust, you know, do all that normal stuff, you know, to get more power out of it. It just really an all original bike. That's why I bought it, and I paid quite a bit compared to the situation it's in right now because of its originality. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a look at what I'll be working on. And yes, it's going to be a lot of work. But everything is here. All but the plastics, obviously, they're roached. I mean, you know, I'll probably have to get a set of different bars, you know, because they are pretty pitted. There's some stuff here that's pretty pitted that I'm going to have to replace. But yeah, should be fun. Should be a fun build. Someone stripped the brake off the rear here, but it has the original sprocket on the back and front. Just super strange, you know, situation. Airbox with lid on it. Shit, I'll pull this off. Give you guys a good view. Check this out. Airbox with lid. Reserve sticker still here. Just wild. It just got left for dead. And I believe it, like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a very low hour bike. So, all right, till next time. See y'all.